Hey guys, this is my 2010 Ranger. It's my daily, so it's dirty. I don't have a system in my other truck, so this is my kind of fun truck. I'm going to kind of show off my system. It's two American-based VFL8s, 1.7 net 8-inch octo port, and I'll show you guys that after some flex. My fiance's at work, so I can't show a hair trick, but they will do one unless Jacob puts it. I sent him another clip. He might put it in the video, but I do have a piece of paper here to show you they move some air. They're hooked into a DEH X8700BS, pushing on a SFB 1000. Does have a big 3 factory 130 amp alternator on the 4.0 here. As you can hear, my compressor is running right now, so I'm trying to do this quick. So let me just pull up 29 hertz. Here we go. This is 60 FPS, so you guys will be able to see the roll. This is shot on a T7i, so there will be some shutter rolling, but that's okay.
Like a vampire, people say I'm an addict, got a lot of bad habits. Love smoking that broccoli and I love stacking that cabbage.
It's Attila Films here, and this is my beautiful fiance, and this is two American-based VFL8s on an SFB 1000. Gonna try and do a hair trick here.
Grown up, it's Queen, turning it, right about now, boy, back in, hey man, That's my DJ. Go DJ. That's my DJ. Go DJ. That's my DJ. Go DJ.
Let's hit a Longhorn.
Alright, so build updates on my Jeep. Got the big 3 done. Got the Voodoo 500 amp gold plated A&L fuse. I just redid everything yesterday. Got my bass knob mounted right here next to me. Yeah, it's kind of messy right there, but I got the I got 2 Scar EVL 18s in a 9.3 cubic foot box. Got all that stuff wire loomed, got it taped up. I got Voodoo dual 1-aught to 1-aught input, single 1-aught inputs into my amp. I did all the heat shrinking yesterday. There's how everything looks. Got this big old port right here. Yeah, just let me know what you think. Got it all hooked up to this Rockville DB16 8K. I tuned it all in yesterday. It peaks at 47 hertz. I love it. It's great. Shakes everything.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.